Today, I'm going to the fire tower. Come join me. Okay, so I got some people who are going to come up to me at least to the top of Gridley. Introduce yourself.
I'm Feral Cat, and I'm only going to go 5 miles.
I'm third wheel, and she's going to go 6.
Very good. We're about 3 miles in, and there's the first look at the tower. So over here we have some terrestrial bees going in and out of their little holes. There's me in the shade, not too shady anymore. Gonna be interesting to see if this geocache is here. There's a bison tube hidden under a little pile of rocks right on this big rock. It's gone, dug through, can't find anything. So actually put a little better hide, hid it off on the side. So out of the ash comes a new cache.
Aha!
There it is. So the hint was near the top of the turtle back. There's the turtle's back. And get over here, lift up the rock. There's what's left of the geocache. So I just took the old container, put it in a pill bottle, and out of the ash comes a new geocache. We found another little gap. This is what we call defensive geocaching. Set a cache so we don't have to come up here and get one single one.
That's what I call a score.
That's nothing suspicious about that pile of rocks. So this one was called Three Pines, for these 3 pines which are trying to get some new growth and survive. The geocache is actually still there. Kind of amazing to me. This is one of my first types of hides. I would put camo tape around a planter's peanut jar. By gosh, it's still there except the top is gone. There it is. Something on the inside. We're going to have to dig around and see what we can find in there. There's clearly some swag. Going to go ahead and archive that. It's an old cache, and out of the ashes comes a new cache. So Matt, you decided to go up to the tower with me.
Yep.
And how's it going so far?
Good, I feel pretty good.
Good.
I came along.
Good. And then what do we got here? Just look at
Quite a view here.
Got quite the view. Looking down to the valley where we came up. You can see some of the trail way down there. What'd you get? Show me what you got.
Bison?
Bison?
Inside a shotgun shell. Or some kind of shell.
Cool. And it was viable and still alive. Awesome. Sheriff's helicopter not looking for us. So here's the tree where it was hanging from. Get over here and see that melted plastic. I think that's an old geocache. So we'll find a place for a new one. We made it to the fire tower. What do you say we go up and take a look and see what the view looks like? So it's not the tallest hill around, but it certainly affords a very, very nice view. That direction you can see the ocean. Lake Casitas is over there. Looking up Highway 33, Verdes Blancas, and back to Matt. So Matt and I made it. Very excited about that. We've set 2 new geocaches. I think I replaced 5 of mine and a few others. We'll have to get the final score when we're done. But great day. About 8 miles up here, so going to be 16 miles round trip for the whole way up and back. Wonderful day. Thanks for joining us.